Hello health champions. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the amazing benefits of baking soda for your hair, skin, and body. Get ready to discover how this simple kitchen ingredient can transform your beauty and health routine. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile and inexpensive ingredient that can do wonders for your hair, skin, and overall health. Let's dive into the top 10 benefits. Benefit number 1, exfoliation. Baking soda is a gentle yet effective exfoliant. Mix it with a little water to create a paste, and use it to remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth and refreshed. Benefit number 2, acne treatment. Baking soda can help reduce acne by balancing your skin's pH and acting as an anti-inflammatory agent. Apply a paste to blemishes and rinse off after a few minutes. Benefit number 3, teeth whitening. Baking soda is a natural teeth whitener. Brush with a paste made from baking soda and water to remove surface stains and brighten your smile. Benefit number 4, hair cleanser. Baking soda can remove buildup from hair products and hard water. Mix a tablespoon with water and use it as a clarifying shampoo to leave your hair clean and fresh. Benefit number 5, natural deodorant. Baking soda neutralizes odors, making it an excellent natural deodorant. Apply a thin layer under your arms to stay fresh all day. Benefit number 6, foot soak. Soothe tired feet with a baking soda soak. Add 3 tablespoons to a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes to relieve aches and soften skin. Benefit number 7, sunburn relief. Baking soda can help soothe sunburned skin. Mix it with water to create a cool paste and apply it to the affected areas for relief. Benefit number 8, itch relief. From bug bites to rashes, baking soda can help alleviate itching. Apply a paste to itchy areas and rinse off after a few minutes. Benefit number 9, bath soak. Add half a cup of baking soda to your bath for a relaxing soak that can help detoxify your skin and soothe irritation. Benefit number 10, fresh breath. Baking soda can neutralize bad breath. Mix a teaspoon in a glass of water and use it as a mouthwash to keep your breath fresh. Baking soda is a powerful, natural, and affordable solution for many of your beauty and health needs. Give these tips a try and see the benefits for yourself. Note: always perform a patch test when using new products on your skin or hair, and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.